The news of these days, a fire in the locality of Esh Kodesh following the arson of Arabs. So this is Sunday, the 4th of July. Yeah, a few days ago. So this is what we see here, the fire almost burned some houses. So this is what is going today, unfortunately. Fires, all kinds of fires, balloons, or fires like this. This is what the Arabs are doing. So let us see a YouTube I did a while ago, exactly the same story, showing us that the past, present, future is the same in these matters. So this is what I did a while ago, a few years ago. The terror of knives. Now we have the terror of arson. This is the Arabs continues in this unfortunately kind of terror, and as people can see clearly in the internet, the terrible disasters, that damage that is caused to tens of thousands of people who are evacuated from the places, and damage to many, many trees, forests, even animals were burned. Terrible tragedy, in fact. Now let us see interestingly what he said today, Netanyahu. So Netanyahu says, Arson, his terror will be treated as such. As it's already found out that almost 50% of the fires was really arson. Now let us see interesting table, which we did before, with the word srefot, fires, and definitely in Israel. Then we saw terror, in Hebrew, Kabbalah, in Israel, by the enemies, the Arabs. Now interesting that putting really the words of Netanyahu, which called it terror, which you can see as the word terror, of a Metzitim, of the arsonists, amazingly coming here, terror next to it, Metzitim, arsonists, and evidently, unfortunately, Arabs, which belong, as we can see clearly, under the influence of the Fatah, the PLO, and also the Hamas, and altogether looking on this table, as we said before, we brought this table with many other things like end of days, because clearly showing that, as is written in many books, Kabbalah books, that before the Messiah, a lot of troubles will be, in fact, all over the world, earthquake, arsons, fires, tsunamis, all these things, which is, according to Kabbalah, a sign that we are nearing the time of Messiah. So also, as we said in this table, you see, as we said, fires in Israel by the enemy of the Arabs, which are the Arabs, and the year, interesting, 777, 777, 5077, and clearly showing us that we are living now in a time of a terror of the Metzitim, the arsonists, and no doubt that people of the Hamas, of the Fatah, all of them is appearing here, are behind all this. So important and relevant table to our days. And as we saw in other YouTubes we did, this is really one of the signs before Messiah, before Mashiach. It's all over the world. We have this kind of phenomenon. And let us hope that, as our rabbis tell us, that this should bring us to believe in God, believe in the Torah, and repent, improve our deeds, and then we'll have a Messiah coming soon and redeem us from this terrible situation that we are in now.